when we're doing the 9 to 5 thing, we don't have time to go to a yoga studio and expend all this time. In the morning, I remember only having 20 minutes to do this. Let's get started. Inhale, standing. Exhale. Take 4 on your own. Inhale. Exhale. 3. None of these postures matter if you're not taking care of your breathing. 2 more. On the last one, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, standing. Arms up. Exhale. Bend the knees a little bit. Hold. Palms to your shins. Inhale, extend. Fingertips to the ground. Walk your hands forward. Walk your feet back and come into a push-up position. From this push-up position, push-ups are looking good. Bum's not in the air. Just lower your knees down. Take an inhale here. Exhale, lower down halfway. And see if you can take your feet, curl them up. Inhale up. Exhale, downward dog. In downward dog, take 5 breaths. See if you can look to your belly button. Your hands, your index knuckle, pinky knuckle, and thumb knuckle. Pay attention to that. So you can look to your belly button. You can look to your belly button. You can look to your belly button and make a triangle with your body. Cool? Good. Now walk your hands back. Inhale, exhale, walk your hands back. Inhale, standing. Exhale. Let's try that again. Inhale, standing. Feet 2 fist distance in between your feet. Feet are hip width apart. See if you can have your toes pointing straight. If it doesn't feel good on the hips, don't do it. Inhale, standing. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend the knees a little bit, fold. Palms to your shins, inhale, extend. Exhale, fingertips to the ground. See if you can walk your hands forward, come into a plank, push-up position. From the push-up position, lower your knees down, lower your chest down halfway, curl the spine up, upward dog. You can bring your back of the heels to the bum. Curl the toes under, come back up, downward dog. Point the bum up to the ceiling. Good. Take a few breaths here. Inhale, exhale. See if you can look to your belly button. See if you can look to your belly button. Yep. Inhale, exhale. I want to hear you breathe. Two more. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. On the exhale, walk your hands back to your feet. When you get to the back, press your palms onto your shins. Inhale, exhale, fingertips to the ground. Inhale all the way up. Bend your knees a little bit, yeah. Exhale, arms by your side. One more. Inhale, standing. How's the feet? 2 fist distance. Big toe, pinky toe, heel. Create that triangle. Your knee is gonna line up with the middle toe. Take 1 breath here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees a little bit. Palms to your shins. Inhale, extend. Exhale, fold. Walk your hands forward. Walk your feet back. Come into that push-up position. Lower your knees down. Lower down halfway. Inhale, upward dog. Heels can come to the bum. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward dog. Inhale for 1. Exhale. 2. Index knuckle, pinky knuckle, thumb knuckle in your hands. Spread your fingers out. See if you can look to your belly button. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Walk your hands back on the exhale. Palms to your shins. Inhale, extend. Exhale, fingertips to the ground, fold. Bend your knees a little bit. Inhale all the way up. Inhale, exhale.